Today we are learning about dedendum of gears. The distance between the pitch radius and the root radius at the center of one gear tooth is called the dedendum of the gear. The distance between the root radius and the tip radius is called the hole depth of the gear and is determined by the size of the module. The hole depth is the sum of the addendum and the dedendum. H equals 2.25 module equals height of addendum plus height of dedendum. As mentioned before, the dedendum shows the distance between the pitch circle and the root circle. 0.25 module of this distance is called the root clearance. C equals the distance between the tip circle of a gear and the root circle of its mating gear, and serves as a void which helps prevent interference with the tooth tip of the mating gear. HF as dedendum equals 1 module plus 0.25 module equals 1.25 module. H as hole tooth depth equals 2.25 module equals 2 module plus C, root clearance. When the tooth height is 2.25 times the module, the tooth is called a full depth tooth. This is the tooth height used most commonly. Other than a full depth tooth, a stub tooth with a lower tooth height than the full depth tooth and an extended addendum tooth with a higher tooth height than the full depth tooth are also sometimes used.